This is the heat shield of the muffler. There are two rubber grommets installed. It has some rubber stems that acts as a lock to keep the grommet in place. In order to push that and remove the grommet, you need something like an Allen wrench or a flathead screwdriver. You just have to gently push that rubber stem until it pops out. These screws will be cleaned by a wire wheel. This can be done to remove loose rust and grease. Then, I will soak it in white vinegar with white soda, just like what I did in my previous videos. This is the muffler, which has a large amount of rust. And this is the exhaust header, or the pipe itself. Loosen and remove those two 10mm to separate the bracket from the muffler. Next, I will insert a rubber piece that will act as a plug. I will fill the muffler with used gasoline to clean the internals. Set it aside. Then, I will clean every part with used gasoline again to remove stubborn dirt and grease. After cleaning, time to remove the rust. I use a wire wheel to hasten the process. Grinder can also be used too. All rust were successfully removed. Next, I hang them so I could paint all sides. I will be using a high temperature primer first. Then, the base coat is next. I use black on the heat shield. Next is the clear coat. Take note that all of my paint that has been used are compatible with high temperature. This is now the solution, and it took 4 days to let the reaction happen. The bolts and nuts need cleaning before painting. Here are the results. Bolts and nuts are now rust-free. This is the paint that I'm using. Spray light coats only each coat, and make sure all sides are covered. Some of the parts here are taken from a separate video. I will only focus on the ones that I have removed, which are the bracket, exhaust header, and the muffler. I sprayed 3 coats each. And that's it for this video. Next thing to restore is the engine heat shield. Thank you very much for watching my video, and God bless.